Hey guys, so we're going fishing at the bridge. See there.
Lizard I've ever. It's a ninja lizard.
Biggest curly tail I've ever seen in my whole entire life. Dang.
Why would look great as bait? Ah.
That's.
I think it's called like a ninja lizard.
All right, so now we're getting 1 dozen.
I think it's called like a ninja lizard because it used to be my grandma. One used to be my grandma.
they're called curly tails, bro.
That's why they're called ninja lizards.
So now we're gonna get some Vero tackle in Marina.
It's the same part we have. So that front time.
How are you?
Hello.
Good.
Can you please get it done? Thank you.
We've arrived at the bridge. JP's is gonna be right here. I'm gonna be over here. Water has no wind at all. Water looks really good. And as soon as we came here, a guy caught a little mangrove snapper. Oh my gosh.
Alright, so Jacob later.
Holding?
He thought it came off, but it
Can you
just.
take a picture of him, John?
Well, on video we can just screenshot it. Alright, nice. Let's release him. Ooh. Wait, do it again. Show him off again.
Come back.
Alright, you're good. Nice.
I literally casted it out there for 2 seconds. Bonnie's got one.
Oh, what is that?
What is that?
What is that?
Snapper?
It's yeah, it's snapping.
Nice.
It's on a pretty big circle hook too.
Oh dang. Yeah. Guys, nice little snapper JP just got. JP's got another one on.
Another one.
We were both having hits. We don't know what he has yet. Yep.
Yep, I
Little
called
cat. Little cat. Oh, wait. I'm getting hits.
Look at this robin.
Yeah, like, look at that. Alright, guys. We're going to call it a day now.
I found this rod.
He found it in the garbage can. He found that rod in the garbage can.
Nice rod.
It's really nice. It's just missing the piece right here.
But we can fix that.
But yeah, we can fix it.
Put a different reel on.
Yeah. Like
And
this rod is really sturdy.
in
It's
total,
not hollow.
we
Yeah,
caught.
this one isn't hollow.
In total, we caught a ladyfish, some grouper. I mean, not group. Some snapper, and catfish,
Bonnethead.
and a bonnethead.
Well, no, we didn't land it, but
It counts.
yeah.
So, see you next video. Oh yeah, one more thing. Sorry,
We rolled the windows.
we didn't
Wait.
get
Wait, what is that?
the.
Is it recording?
Yeah.
Why
Sorry.
is it dubbed like that?
Sorry, we didn't get the what is it
Talk
called?
louder, bonnethead?
Ladyfish on tape, nor the bonnethead, because they were both like really strong and they were both like
We didn't.
hauling butt, and
They
we
were
just
too
we
big
didn't.
that we didn't grab the camera because
Yeah,
we were
we
too worried
just-
about the fish.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
sorry about that. That'll change
Why is your red thing?
sometime soon.